Is your WhatsApp iCloud backup stuck on your iPhone? This could be due to network issues, not enough storage, or app glitches. No need to worry. In this video, I'll walk you through how to fix the WhatsApp iCloud backup issue on your iPhone. Let's get started. Before doing anything else, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Turn on airplane mode for 10 seconds and turn it off. Make sure to turn off VPN. Now try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Sync WhatsApp. First, open up the Settings app. Then tap on the Apple ID profile. After that, tap on iCloud. Next, tap on See All. After that, scroll down and find the WhatsApp app. Make sure to toggle it on. If you see it is toggled on, then toggle it off, and then turn it back on. Solution 2. Clear WhatsApp storage and data. First, open up the WhatsApp app. After that, tap on the Settings icon in the bottom right corner. Now scroll down, then tap Storage and Data. After that, tap Manage Storage. Then make sure to remove unwanted or large data from here. Solution 3. Clear WhatsApp cache. First, open up the settings. Then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Now scroll down and find the WhatsApp app. Next, tap on WhatsApp. Then tap Offload. And again, tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall it. If you still have the same issue, then follow my next solution. Solution 4. Free up the iPhone storage. Go to the Settings app on iPhone. Then tap General. Next, tap iPhone Storage. Remove unwanted large files or unused apps from here. Tap on the app you want to remove. Then tap on Delete app. Finally, tap Delete the app again. Solution 5. Reset network settings. Open Settings. Tap General. Scroll down. Then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset network settings. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it wants. Tap Reset network settings again. After resetting the network, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. Hope your WhatsApp iCloud backup issue on your iPhone is fixed now. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit the like button. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.